Look how Coco gets jealous when I touch Kiwi. Okay, ready? Coco's trying so hard to come behind, and he's like trying to figure out like how can I reach her hand, and this is like blocking him. Here, let me show you guys a better like scene. Like if Coco goes there, and then okay, and then I give Kiwi some pets, and then look at how Coco's gonna get mad. Oh no, Coco's trying to get right on me. Oh, Coco, Coco, Coco. Coco, 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 Coco. Kiwi, 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 Kiwi. Coco, 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 Coco. Okay. Back in the cage. Back in the cage, buddy. Kiwi, 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 Kiwi. Coco's not wasting any time in there. Okay, I'll let you guys out in a little bit. Let me just organize a little bit. Kiwi, that's mean. That's mean, Kiwi. I'll let you out in a little bit. I promise.